guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing a simple get ready with me for an everyday office look. Always start with a fresh face. I like to really moisturize my face and make sure that it's hydrated. Hence, I use the Plum rose water and Olay moisturizer. I've been using a Lotus sunscreen for years now, and this is the one product that I wouldn't change. So this is what I use on everyday basis. And then I like to use the Earth Rhythm lip tint. So this tint in the shade Cupid works really well for my skin tone, and I use it on my cheeks, on my eyelids and on my lips as well. For my eyes, I really like to keep it simple. I use the Plum Kajal and line my lids, and I use a coat of Maybelline Mascara, and that's about it. Always make sure that your products are waterproof in summer. If you like that dewy glowy look, then use a spritz of the rose water all over again and you'll be done. For my lips, I decided to add this nude shade. It's called Give Me Mocha by Wet and Wild. So that's about it for this look. I really like how subtle and easy it is. It takes me barely 5 minutes to do all of this on an everyday basis. If you did like it, let me know in the comments below. Until next time, bye bye.